In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify to N8N so you can automate your workflows and manage your store more efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips. Start by opening N8N and heading to the Credentials section. Click Create New and select Shopify as your service. This sets up the connection specifically for your store. Next, enter your Shopify subdomain in the format yourstore.myshopify.com, no HTTPS or trailing slashes. Then choose OAuth 2 for secure authentication. Now it's time to add your API key and API secret from Shopify. Enter them carefully into their fields. A small typo can block the connection. Once everything is correct, click Save Credentials, and that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to N8N. You can start building automated workflows, syncing data, and saving tons of time managing your store. Like, subscribe, and explore more N8N tutorials to make your workflows smarter.